everyone, I'm Seohee teacher. Today I'm going to read the story, The Parfait Tree. Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, there lived a kind-hearted man and grumpy stepmother who had a sweet young girl named Clara. Clara was known for her special talent in the kitchen. She especially loved making parfaits. But her stepmother didn't like sweets or laughter, and she didn't like how people admired Clara's parfaits.
Huh? Parfait? What's so special about it?
One warm afternoon, Clara was picking fresh strawberries for a new parfait when she found a curious bush with silvery leaves and shimmering berries. As she leaned closer, the bush spoke.
Pick just one, dear child. A plant is set with care. Some taste will share bloom if your heart is kind.
Stunned but curious, Clara gently picked a single silver berry. She planted, watered it every day, and sang sweet songs to it. It's the most beautiful berry in the world. Weeks passed, and something extraordinary happened. The air around the tree smelled of vanilla and berries. Instead of berries, the tree began to grow perfect parfaits. There were strawberry parfaits, mango parfaits, and chocolate parfaits. Overjoyed, Clara picked a few parfaits and gave them to neighbors who were amazed at the flavors. So yummy! Soon, everyone in the village came to visit the parfait tree, and they all thanked Clara for her kindness, which had made such magic possible. But her stepmother was not pleased.
Parfait tree? That's so silly.
Her stepmother tried to grab the biggest parfait. The moment her stepmother reached out, the tree shook its branches violently and fell onto stepmother's head. Her stepmother was upset and stormed into the forest. She said,
Why can't I have the parfait?
The special bush who was nearby spoke. It's because Clara has kindness and a sweet-hearted mind.
Oh, that's nonsense.
The stepmother scoffed. The stepmother went back to the village. She saw Clara smiling at the village people and greeting them one by one. Clara wiped the leaves, making it shiny. It was at the moment the stepmother realized how uncaring she was. She had never smiled at others and never spoke to them. The stepmother walked up to Clara and asked gently,
Would you want me to help you make parfait for the village fair tomorrow?
Clara blinked in surprise. Sure, of course. Her stepmother's heart began to soften. She followed Clara inside and for the first time helped make parfaits. That night, as the stepmother stood under the parfait tree, it gently lowered a golden parfait into her hands. She took a bite and smiled, a real true smile. If you enjoyed the story, please subscribe and like the video. Bye!